Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting flavor into the oil. Heat 2-3 tablespoons of palm oil until it shimmers but does not smoke. Once hot, add chopped onion and minced garlic. Sauté until translucent so sugars release and deepen flavor. Add ground pepper, a bouillon cube, and 1/2 teaspoons salt to bloom spices in the fat. This is important because fat carries aroma and balances the stew. Stir frequently for 1 to 2 minutes to avoid burning. Now you add the protein and get color. Drop in 500 grams of chicken, fish, or tofu and brown for a minute per side to create Maillard flavor. Once seared, pour in 400 grams canned tomatoes and 1 cup of stock so the stew has depth and acidity. Bring to a gentle simmer. Simmer 15 to 20 minutes to cook protein through and concentrate flavors. Then add chopped bell pepper and 1 cup of greens near the end so they retain texture and color. Finish by tasting and balancing. You want savory, slightly acidic, and rich from the palm oil. Add salt, pepper, or a squeeze of lime to brighten. If the stew seems too oily, skim the top with a spoon or add 1 peeled, grated potato and simmer 5 minutes to absorb excess fat. Once texture and taste are right, serve with rice, fufu, or bread and garnish with fresh herbs for contrast. If flavors are flat, a final pinch of salt and acid will lift the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.